Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to take apart and re-grease your free coaster and put it back together. There's 5 things you need, obviously. A mallet that isn't metal, so you don't blow your axle up or damage it in any way. A socket wrench to get your wheel off. Allen keys. An adjustable wrench and some grease, which that's not hard to find. First, you just want to take your back wheel off your bike. So after you have your wheel off, depending on which drive you have, I have a right-hand drive, but if you have a left hand, it's just going to be on the opposite and in opposite. But first, what you want to do is you want to put the correct size Allen key into the drive side, which is the same side your driver is on, and then like this. And then you want to take your adjustable wrench and just loosen it, or loosen not the driver but the lock nut, which is right in front of the driver, which I don't know, mine's loose, which is bad. Then you just take it off.
Oh, okay.
What?
No, there. Oh, wait, no, so good.
Oh my god, why can't this go faster? Problem?
If I do it in the lower quality, do you think I could possibly get over? I don't know.
Is there a problem?
Because I want the songs. I don't have to pay for them.
Well, you can't scrape up enough to pay for them.
No, we can't pay for YouTube. Just annoying.
Yeah, iTunes, you dunce.
Or no, I meant through iTunes because Mom, the card she has on there doesn't work anymore.
Then switch them.
You won.
Shut up.
Oh god, not that. Okay, as soon as you get the lock nut off, put that where you won't lose it, because I know all you children are terrible at remembering where you put your phone and it's in your hand. But right after that, there should be a cap on the front of your driver, and you need that, so you must know where you put it. That's what it looks like. Do not lose this, or else God will kill you.
Aren't you a pleasant person?
Then, on a right-hand drive, you screw your driver to the left, and it unthreads it. So, that's the driver. Oh my god, dude. Fag. Then put that where you won't lose it. And then you should just have your axle now. Take the mallet you have and then just tap it like that, and it'll come out. And then if you just tapped it out in the middle of the air, I guarantee you did, your clutch should come off. That's the clutch, and that's the axle with the non-driver side bearing, and this, then lock nut, and then same thing but on opposite drive side. So what you want to do now is just take your grease or whatever and just grease it up. It's really simple. I hope you can grease, because it's really easy. So I am using white lithium grease, so You want to be like really generous when you're greasing this. Did you discover water?
No, I discovered BMB3 and it's being nice to me.
Has them on there.
Yes, it does.
Wow.
Oh, I found one.
What one?
Start.
I said what one? I didn't say
Zombie
it's
War song.
No, I really don't enjoy that song.
I'm okay with it. Well, it's a start.
And as soon as you have,
Congratulations,
oh god,
you won.
as soon as you got done greasing the clutch, if you did that, you want to grease the axle now and then the hub. So. And how you know when you need to grease it up is pretty much, I heard this in another video, but if it makes like a faint squeaking sound whenever you're like doing a manual or putting pressure on the back wheel. But the only reason I'm doing this again is because like I'm hearing like clicking on a free coaster, and that makes me paranoid because free coasters aren't supposed to click at all. So I'm not too sure as to why it is, but hopefully this fixes it. So you want to grease the axle up.